Okay, so this is an unboxing from Rubiks, and this came earlier today, but I got it right before I had to go to work, and I couldn't wait, so I actually opened it, but I put everything back in there to get a full effects of me opening the package. And, I'll just explain, I guess, what I did with the puzzles when you see them. I didn't put the packing of peanuts back in there, which was dumb. I should have just threw those away. Actually, at the bottom of this, though. But this one actually did not open because it was like in this fancy packaging, which is the Rubiks Speed Cube Pro Pack. I didn't open this one, but I did open the 2x2 and the keychain. So since those are already open, I'll just go through those first. And not much should... Oh, nice. Whoops. But let me fix this camera. Okay, but yeah. Just, I want to put it on my book bag, so... And all the other ones, like the cheap ones, always break, so I was hoping maybe that'd be better quality, but... And I got this because I need to complete my, collection of Rubiks, which this does. And obviously it's not very good. But, yep. Alright, now really into the main thing. Oh, drop a key. Is this Speed Cube. Let's see. Oh, okay. That was hard. Oh, springs. Oh yeah, I remember seeing that in Red KB's video. They come with springs. 2 different springs. I think the medium springs are on it, though. Ooh. It's like super catchy. And it feels kind of like the pieces are plastic, like rubbery plastic. Really soft, and I don't really like it so far, but this is obviously better than any other thing you get. So let's see what else you get in here. I guess this is a pamphlet that tells you about the cores and how to change springs. If I could get this out here. Let's see, how to deassemble and reassemble. Okay, so packet, some lube, which I will definitely be trying out on for use with the Rubik's Cube only. That's funny. Cube lube. But I will definitely be trying that out. And it comes with a little syringe. These springs just keep falling out. Whoops. What is this? Oh, washers. Another set of washers. I don't want to lose anything, and I feel like I dropped those springs. Dang it. Alright, I guess I'll find those after. I want to keep this very nice and neat. But comes with this too, so let's Jesus, I'm taking. There we go. So yeah. Oh, it's super tight. Okay. I'm not gonna take that apart now. If people want to see a review on this, I'll go over that in the review, but not right now. Come on. It's like these two slots. There we go. It's like, see right there, I was taking some of the white plastic off, but okay. Oh, alright, found those springs, but I'm not going to pick it up now. Oh jeez. I don't know if I'm going to cut that out. Sorry if I don't. Unboxing. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want, you know. And leave a comment of what you think of the Rubiks brand and your opinions on them.